कहीं है? हाँ? This foundation will be stable. Why? Because now inside we have this fabric. We calling this construction fields. I don't know English, is this the right word or no? These fields prevent to mix gravel or sand with ground, and that means this foundation like this will be stable for years. Will be no sink. On top of this foundation cement blocks I will build pallet deck, and on top of pallet deck I will build small house from pallets. That small house will be my storage for my firewood. Firewood will be really heavy. For this is the reason why I built foundation like this. Subscribe, guys. foundation with gravel or sand under these concrete blocks will be much stronger, better foundation, like only like that one. It will be only pallet deck, then is foundation like this good. Miriam Fabiano. Fabiano, yeah, thank you, Miriam. Really, thank you very much. And Richard Mortlock. I hope I pronounced this correct. Richard say, hi Robert, just a little bit to help for what come next. Woohoo, Richard, woohoo. Yes, Richard, next will be, guys, for your information, I get 70 euros and 12 euros is very important. I can continue with work. I need these two tools for cut pallets and take on parts pallet wood. I need these tools. Guys, sorry, really sorry for last Sunday I didn't finish video because I have no material, no video for. I have, but I will show you now a little bit. I was digging a road on the top of my land by hands and take me so much time for finish this, and this is the reason why last Sunday I didn't have video, but now will be normal every Sunday. Guys, and if you are new here, you must subscribe. Next week we will start building walls from pallet wood here, and you must subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in next one. Yoo-hoo!